strange that is going on. Kennedy, agyapong, the camp. I was saying, come on, some. If I was sorry, Christosom, ehonsem, ehwasem, and I'm no a barbecan. Yantubasia, I'm in Fanchurch, Mono and Melo. Na yenti, the echo so, Kennedy, Japan, the camp when there, a fa Christosom, and ya sorry, and some more. Ras media GH, unsa. One subscribe, boy, I must subscribe, and a phone says, "Yeah, don't man, the video be 2 months. One so no, obey your first person, I will Sabeka, or be video. Maybe I will be some dear Nancy, and I said, and then yet, ya, and then I can Japan call a solid demo, a could soft for and him a catcher one said. But be a drone, dear, or believe we say a Christo for, especially a soft for, and I was said, or more Christo for, a man Christo for. Into me, and nipa I was on your day, only Ghana my anim. I said, my papa, we can't ye, very, very controversial because yen him said, be a trim COVID time, Brana Yura and Nado Danko Kufuado, Etia Kunyaso. Kennedy Yapon, nipa be or solid and nicer than den pass. One man church is a Ghana, or be good because according to him, the Omo ye. Eye chrono any bonnet and I know no yankupani because according to him, one man churches are fake churches. I hear say ye be guni yina. Me ma. Papa you can same way ye who campaign on a 2 TV. Emma sabi na me no kasa na Jugezi for example, who Kennedy anu wadwa. Obinim esikene Japan egu na asore. Asofufo bebre ene Kennedy Japan yantokwa kese kompa ena madwuma ni kruse bia na oye na obi be say ba ne say na ene de papa we say wahu se Ghana man no asofufo ene wo command enti we say apan ni asofufo enka omohumbom na omoma Ghana man no enko nanim asemi eye question kese pa enti mpese unyanto base ma me na yenko tie some analysis be a matter aye efa Kennedy Japan any Christosom ho na ye nyina ye nchentie ye wi a na yasan aba studio me mame Diana Pia me mo akwa aba pa sa nso na nana ya wonso me mo akwa aba pa yenko tie video we na emra make sure say bo madana share na click like button no na yenko yani Kennedy Japan didn't trobe. Now before I talk about it, watch this video.
Churches, Ghana for Nigeria, for the riba riba back riba. So what I'm telling the youth is that instead of spending so much time, look, on religion like this, also Jimmy. You see,
my people are doing really well today with these photographs.
Sabe only me kramaya or don't fear or damning chance. What's the difference? What's the difference? The picture that you are seeing. So I'm telling the youth to take their destiny into their own hands. When you believe in religion, I say religion, not Christianity. Religion, too much. No, you become lazy. The Arab Emirates, go to Turkey, see development. So why are you always Allah Akbar, Bismillah, Rahim? Now so
that's not true. We don't do that always. You see churches have done great things. It's the National Central Gospel.
But I'm saying that religion is impeding progress in this country.
Is it?
Look, my brother, go around and see. You go to my village, my constituency, in some villages, we have all mud houses. The only block building over there is church. You see, now the question is, can't you use the same effort also to build a small Gari factory? That is why I'm saying that religion is impeding progress in Africa, not only Ghana.
Not only Ghana, okay.
Okay, so problem, but I'm saying that near 1 in 9 no body yem no you say please.
Okay, there are fringe elements.
Yes, enti yenyina yete asema na papa we yoka. Now, you know, sometimes I sit down and I say no. Papa we my pen semache. I'm for business we then a video, the whole video in 10 deba. This is because I know him. Papa we nensema waka. Nensema waka ni years. Maybe I don't remember the year, but almost all his video I've watched all. And it takes me a crack. Na manyana whole video I made be dance afa de America. Me ba ma. Asema kene Japan kan video me nyina yate ase. O se wokwa asori a na wokobọ mpa ye onyankopon anim. Na woda form onyankopon anim se nyankopon emmoa ma onya wo ho a. Nyankopon moa na wo ho nto a. Ote se ono ne kraman a owo ni fie a wabeda ne nchen epa aduane adi. Me be ma. Listen to me very carefully. Me that type of one man church is a Ghana or Modidi amanfo abro area amanfo sika no. I'm not in support of them. And Tibrana Kenejapo yes Juma we no. Now I was in support with him. Tiemiyepa. Man kasema, but I'm not here to defend any of you. Dabi to me the asofu for no the one man churches in the country no. They are the cause of our trouble. Now, dear Neko, but who feel this one is software and benantia and your personal issue. My personal decision is I don't live my life in the hands of a software. But who believe we say or software never more year and your one casa quote one or besha quote. I will not wear it with you. So I cannot condemn you, but I will not involve myself. And Tibra Kenya Japan says, I know yeah, Juma way no. Now we are in support with him. So when who say I suffer for ni Ghana wu, I suffer for na say Ghana. Na Kenya Japan can send be or where so year or say. Enkramofo krom ay well developed because enkramofo esom no akwa akoye ne ho ye bompa ye 5 minutes ya asa ye koye nim. Me Ghana for a Christopher. Yes, sorry, I know your team near body. So in a way, Kenya Japan was telling Ghanaians to say, "Enkramofo manner of governance, the best." And I'm a boy. Ono ne kan yam na me kan. Obi me kan 7 na me kan. Ya bo video no so TV. Or the Turkey, example. Or the Arab Emirate, example. Say enkramofo, their manner of worship and their manner of governance, very effective. Into one, Kennedy say, Moa Mokwa Soria. Moa Mokwa Soria, Mokoda from a bomb payeno. Before no, or Senamo Yedebe, Motisen Klamai, or only Fie Klamaya, ordinato forma, or Manebianeti. Second, Kennedy has admitted to say, Enkramofosum yesom papa. Muntien you, Enkramofosum eyasom papa. Enkramofama mu eyamamu papa. Enti papa na beka kiro se obi ye kramoni enti nkoto abamfa mana na wabo video na kire no na there are more serious revelations amede bere wene nyanto base na yi nema no omamba pa makasa for Dr. Bawumia ho for very long time afia na wabanyanto ase na tenase masa me menye bias I say the things the way they are enti wabode join me na yenye Bawumia crusade no na once no omamba koto abama Dr. Bawumia papa yi say
churches no Ghana for na jana for the riba ompe bibiye riba back riba. So what I'm telling the youth is that instead of spending so much time, look, on religion like this, also Jimmy. You see,
my people are doing really well today with these photographs.
Sabe uni me kramaya or don't fear or damning chance. What's the difference?
Okay, enti omamba unti amesa repeat video way. Ote de Kennedy Kanye. Hope say you will not say it is not true again. And you when this is a Mohammed. So ti asema papa ikaye. Ose Ghana for ye baba. Na ye da form bomb paye. Sabio one ni fie kramanya amoda ho. What is the difference? Entifa two team. One. Enti Kennedy Japan was saying say amanfo omokwa asore omo ye moa omo agimi asafofo so omo gina ho omo bom paye no omo nso no omo ye wudifo omo se Ghana man. I was in the call with him. Me fancy say Ghana asafofo no binom ena se Ghana man because of how omo ye dishonest. Na omo ya kromfo omo ye frosters omo nim how to steal from the poor people. Yes. Papa Isanto aso kan say nkramofo som ye papa nkramofo amamu ye papa obo take din esanso bo Emirate Arab dentie.
What's the difference? The picture that you are seeing. So I'm telling the youth to take their destiny into their own hands. When you believe in religion, I say religion, not Christianity. Religion, too much. No, you become lazy. The Arab Emirates, go to Turkey, see the development. So why are you always Allah Akbar, Bismillah Rahim? Now so
that's not true. We don't do that always. You see churches have done great things. The National Central Gospel.
But I'm saying that religion is impeding progress in this country.
Is it?
No, my brother, go around and see. You go to my village, my constituency.
Yeah, me Kofi Frank Mwakaba pa. Enti omamba mesra wa se what video no ye. Kennedy Sinkramo for some some papa. They don't waste much time. Asore some any some ena Ghana yen kanko esai. That is the meaning of religion is impeding development in the country. Okay. Hey, Entoaso. Say, asafo for more Ghana, we are with default to the point to say they are able to omutimi sika free here for no they see blocks dying. Blocks are sorry dying no kurase. But omuntumi sika collectively fancy factory emma asori for money nyajuma yenti to him omuya with default. Umeti video na emra.
Some villages, we have all mud houses. The only block building over there is church. You see, now the question is, can't you use the same effort also to build a small Gary factory? That is why I'm saying that religion is impeding progress in Africa, not only Ghana.
Not only Ghana, okay.
Okay, so problem, but I'm saying that near 1 in 9 no Bonnie Yem no yes please.
Okay, there are fringe elements.
Okay, enti yura Kennedy Japan nsem okaya no ena mabo ama opia TB. Na abusia na se papa no really na sem okaya se omo kwa asore to him omoji asore krotum na omo bom paye da bia na omo tenten na omo asofofo de omo ka kire omo ye no ose omo ye moa sa na ogidi ampapa oda so gidi. But now this Kennedy Japan is trying to use the Christian community or the pastors, the one-man churches, to do something there. Sabio ensen emfata. Esi yechirikoko a yenine ma. Chani ibu beno. Aye. Esi yechirikoko a yenine ma. Enti se we are aware say the one-man churches eye enkrofo a omu na omu etwe omane nkan kosan ya Kennedy Japan. If actually you are an honest man as you preacher, why do you associate yourself with such people? A man for say, Mr. Manfo, you're biased. I'm not being biased. But me see, thanks to the Almighty Father, this modern time politics, there is always an evidence to prove whatever you are saying. And this when I can same way 2 years ago. To me be a open tea. Uko jina sorry da mu kanchre. asɔfofoɔ sɛ ɔmo ɛna ɛwɔ control na wopɛ sɛ ɔmo mmommoa na yɛntumi nye leader ma ne medi Ghana anim a ɛkyerɛ wo sɛ papa wei nim pefee sɛ people don't think beyond what their pastors say. And so to me conquer pastors now will conquer the people's heart. And two things. Papa no atubo baako edi akum no maami. What does that mean? This man want to tell the asofo no today say so nipa ni nye Kristo ni amamonto aba ma no. Enti a Kristo fo na be decide who should lead this country. Yentie papa video na yemra sese yentie. Ni video mo na wa ye ne yentie.
I hear my brother Reverend Osu, my classmate, saying that he's not doing politics. The situation we are in now, I think the church should be bold to come out to give directions. Who should be the leader of this country?
But what in yepa? Obi awa ankasa just a minute ago. Obia just a minute ago. Wa wanuma sem kyerɛ sɛ asɔfofoɔ yawudifoɔ. Omo na omo impede the progress of a country. Ene deɛ kwasisi wada sɔre tumi bon wɔ ne hwenem ɔpɛ tumi adia ɛhe na wakɔ akɔgyina sɔre dan mu ɛsrɛ sɛ asɔrefoɔ mmoa ɔno na ɔmɛyɛ kandifoɔ. Papa ɛdi saa na yɛtena wiase. Asɔfofoɔ awudifoɔ na nanado aban breso. Asɔfofoɔ na ɔmo yɛ akorɔmfoɔ no. Ɔmo asɔre ma ɔmo si ɔmo te sɛ nkraman. Ɔmo deserve. Ɛnɛ deɛ saa nkraman na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo nto aba mfa ma obi no medi Ghana man so. This man is playing a very trickish game here. One, or play discrimination titles be or her. He is inciting the Christians to feel superior to the Muslims in the country. Two, he is like giving an authority to the Christians. I will name say the one-man churches no be brene ya kronfo obetumi ato won with money na omo deceive their church members on whom they should what? Vote for. Asemia papa ikaye. It is a great sign of incitement in a society. Asema papa ikaye. I don't see the sense in it. Se obi anano wo se asofofo ya kromfo ya kohifo. Na ene wumbom na oba beka kire me se e wo se asofofo na entumi decide who to come and lead the country. This man is praying a description, or them calling a description, discriminative game in the society. Se utumbe jina bonten kase, e was say Christopher, any asofo any decide who to lead the country. Then I'm asking you, what about the Muslim community? Ghana for. What about the Rastafarian community? What about the traditional believers? What about them? What about the Buddhists? What about the neutrals? This is why I want to tell you, sir. The party called MPP is not known for division. MPP party, no, we are not known for division. MPP party was created out of unity of different tribes and different beliefs in the country. And into a UP tradition. And to say, Obisi Opeso made you party nanim. Nani message, the convention in his campaign message, about dividing people among ourselves. That man does not deserve to lead your party. Enya Christopher Nkwane don't want people amanyoko. But I don't understand why Ghana phobinum. Enya kase wosika odunso gu ho kura na ebebo ye nsema ma. Why? Obi ti se kwaku bo aten opon. Se kese wosika ewo Ghana maimu a there was some Ghanaian people be wa the obeka bia omono ya atwene woni gu ho kura na ombebo mo nsema ma adenti esu wosika adenti esu wosika enti de a Christopher asofofo binom eye no Ghana maimu nti eye bofe say omono omekire hwan na was only di Ghana na say they are going to choose only people omoba omoni omobetra table so akese anim ayedels corruption allegation and corruption mentality yento asrenti video no.
We mount podiums and give all kinds of promises and we never deliver. Thus, the people don't believe in us. They believe in the church, the pastors, reverend ministers, bishop, archbishop. So what I will say this afternoon is, politicians and the church should collaborate as partners for the development of this country.
Now, in Japan say, omo politicians, omo ya akromfo, omo ye ntrofo, omo shebo a omo niso. One thing, Kennedy. So when we say omo shebo omo niso, they stop that big promises. Or they promise Ghana for, and I may be a Numa if I'm a president, because a president of the country cannot open the jobs that you're talking about. And you fear Juma ye before you start talking about others. You fear Juma ye pa because one who say enamon kontompone anibre ene pesamin kuminya ewo mumunti Ghana for man njimu nibiem na mum de asofofo beka ena omugidi dia ene papa wonsem na wonama wo keka no contract a woni amanfo esinsan mo mesa nkrata no hwehu ye pa hwesu ye pa na it will have retroactive effect on you. It will punish you. And then they can Japan so any asofo for an episode mumayo. Papa na some few days ago na o chabo asofo for to say the asofo for every na Japade no and let the osi oni omo and ekubu Ghana man. Yanto aso.
That is the only way we can change the narrative. The status quo, our thinking, how we do business, how we behave must change. If not, whatever we do will not achieve the maximum goals we expect. I've seen example here right now. Come to that. So I'm begging the archbishops, reverend ministers, and for that matter, the church. I saw the video, the good works all over the world done by Archbishop Charles Adiasari. What I'll beg of him now is that use your powers, the respect that you've earned.
Okay, enti the same way, and I can't Japan kujina sabio. I saw the demuka near ne was no say nedie according to him. When we say a patience sangana mina, we need a suffer for no. A suffer for a bit to me amount minus sisa. A suffer for no and a Ghana for mano e wojidi wo mu. Enti sa na tie dia o say e wo say asofofo na enchire. A Christopher na enchire nipa wo so nye den only Ghana so. What I'm asking is, what is behind this philosophy of Kennedy Japan? What is behind it? And I say, Kennedy is trying to divide the Christianity and the Muslim community in the country by using this methodology, by recognizing the Christians in the country and denying the Muslim communities. This is very, 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 very dangerous. And then, Usubempa ekojana solidamu eka ne pio se ba omiankro for keno. Then I just say, where does that come from? I say open president yedina ma onkro for didi matema, you can never be the president. These are what them call Mframana Kennedy Japan Ashasia or Bogo Asofufu na sumno and no Washasia more exhibit. Why? Why should we do this to ourselves? TNT was a young impine as you would to me, ye won him dear, Yanina Druba be a can't send me a nim, Yam fire nim dear ne, ya bodina yenyano, fan say or minor instead of to help it to go to move on. Why? Why should we have to do that to ourselves? Say papa panyini utumi ekojeni padudu anim eka asema wokan. Na why I said this is what happened. Boko yeto abawie ya ntokwasi ye no. Mahama went there and recognized Kusase, say Kusase for no. Every government in Ghana knows that they are the rare men of Kusase, Boko land. This is the same thing. And then, Kennedy Japan indirectly, because of power and then the waka far suffer for her. Said the bay obey to me and suffer for a co edgina. Na ya to abadi etiaba womiani amana beti power and tino. He is now wasea sha said the tetrema fantesura watiato for many PM because of power. Ken and then my man tempted me your jumanche. But in any case, me person more video way na osofo we untie me I stand with the osofo in video me boachro no. I don't hate Keno, I don't hate him. But me I'm a righteous man. When there is the truth, I talk about the truth. I don't care. Me bias. Anytime that I talk on my machine, I try to make sure say I speak the truth. Say menka, I will not talk about the issue. Me say me not two issue no munkwa dia. Meka no kore se de tie ne fata na me de achiro. Yenti osofu we or reply kese e de maken. Yenti mresisia.
Man that I respect so much, me bunichain any other honorable in Ghana. Ye kase obi a honorable me respect ni chain Kennedy Japan. Me bunichain any other man of God. But when COVID came, this same man rose up against the church, thinking that Obu church in anymore. And he had the audacity to say, Onuna ya president and Kobegu one man churches in Ghana. And not the same man, he had the church vote. Oh, Kasaya, you're careful. I am telling you, the only hope, I can be the only hope of MPP ayabawumia. Sanya that man now, the party will lose more than 38% and then the same man that rose up against the church. And Ghana is a Christian country, and this man rose up single-handedly against the church. And to be seen, yes of Roman Methodist Pentecost Pentecost. And then the same man need the same people vote. One said in Ametia, I am not somebody that is afraid of the truth. I came with a word of caution. So be about passing for years of for here. Eli was a just man, a very sincere man. But ni mama ana suffer the any transfer you say, suffer the any transfer you say, suffer any power.
Yes, enti asemu ya papa yi kan fakwa adwendwene mu. Just some years back, Kennedy was ready to collapse every church of one man church. Church biana ye nipa ba ko Pentecostal church biano. Papa isi obeto asore no mu. Obami egu asore no. Omo ye kofifo, omo ye akromfo, omo nka nokore. But ene tumi abo wura Kennedy Japan ehwenem. Tumi ho pompan kakra afa ne tim. Ene de Kennedy is actually endorsing the churches now no ankasa gina ne nan so e card your pay at the foul. You see that you are inconsistent. Oh, here you say. Now, Mimi, I don't know who are the people that advise or more speech to Kennedy. They need to learn more to become more wise. Hey, we are so on. You can ube to me say we antichrist. So okay, so we antichrist. Na enipa dasani hu se wo ye nipa bia wo no wo su ne oban wo yobre ese fata se ye ma obibi e wo society mo a obibi na obefa ho se so ye antichrist o. But the problem start say bia wake so ye antichrist na o tene be hu na wona masori dan mu sa e ho na nipa beke sa kwa we kura no he na ogina e no kasafa ha ochano makasafa. Temiye pa, if the inconsistency, if you want to see how weak any padasani, so person who said an apple mere, and yes, apple say, uhunam so, oh yari and now one yario. If you want to see that somebody have a weak mind, being a weak mind, then funny sikasem, huntimum, moment, come as a misremo. So person also being a weak or be a weak mind. Weak mind, no. It is there are people who are inconsistent. There are people you can manipulate them, you can maneuver them how you want because of their character of being inconsistent. A synonym of weak mind. Tell me, enti papa way. He is a good man. But because of this type of character, a weak mind that essence consult into what? Inconsistency character. He is a very dangerous man for him to lead a group of people. Because the can and no ochina obesi sana no aka foforo. Oka obedu atem seka wano tum no ye hiani. Kwa kubu aten na menka asem nchiro. Usu ye Kennedy Japan nipa. Me have followed Kennedy Japan more than thousands of all his supporters or money na mo ye dede. What I know about Ken, some of you don't know. And the reason why I'm bringing all this thing on board, and I say, one, he here a discriminative leader. Our party, a friend of MPP, the newborn of UP traditional, a party, build with the different tribes coming together to build a party. We don't need a discriminative leader. MPP doesn't need any inconsistent leader. Any pa or we don't need that. We need a leader who maintains his position. Who maintains his position. Who goes deep into his decisions before he comes out. And yet the obesore na kwesi ba akon kwesi kwa ate no beka nkwa asem kire na ono so ahya ase no yedede wo man no. So this is a short message. Me de matiefo na ya spread man akwa abonten say the MPP was built on different ethnicity, and it was built with different religion. So there is no religion and there is no ethnic group in the MPP. Or yet the sole honor of the party. The party belongs to all of us. And no religion alone can decide who should lead the party. And there is no one ethnic group cannot decide who to lead the party. Asantifo nyina to aba na yenya akra vote kakra nka ho gafo yenya mfase akamfo nyina yeto aba na yenya nkranfo kakra yenya esremufo kakra nka ho a yentimi nwene mane yeye. So it is all the groups that were involved during the building of this party, all the traditions that were involved during the building of this party, all the religion that was involved during the building of this party. It is collective decision and able to take who to come and lead the party. Enye Christopher Nkwa, enye Akamfo Nkwa, enye Gafo Nkwa, enye Dagomba ni Mamprusi ni Kusasi Nkwa. It is only when we are together that we can make our party be the party that it is. Abusame de Mobesia, Medin ene Mr. Mafo, Ras Media, GH, Medin Chiama Yao Hambo, Kofi Intima Kon, Intima Moa, Intiamoa Mafo, Arimi Isaac, Michel Yepa, what is a Miriam, Hamidu, Kabore, Owusu Pay Weed Gangster, British Amawa, British Amawo, Richard Otta, Ena Mimia Kofi Wilson, Michache Munya, Mimia Kofi Frank, Michel Yepa, Tayyip Nachina, Abdul Rahman, Michel Yepa, Kwakubu Ate Opon, Michel Unsu Yepa Obabio, Omambapa, Michel Yepa, Mimame Jua, Mimame Janwa Michel, Hamidu Kabora Michel Unso. Ena kwasi abinti wenso Michel Yepa busia me de obesi ana yasan ehia me the video we mamo as the last one video ni sira mo antemi kan bia wana ese makra mu nyina se ebesan ehia ochina merese metumi abantama na mantem so ana ese apronye ewie ni video na meba na maba ene mo abedin komo enti miss answer be kono said that be amonim no. Until we meet again, adios.
So, electoral areas coordinators were here. Omoye 28. Omo amujina ha edis ajumei. Omoye 28 out of 32 electoral area coordinators. Omo assignment is simple. Omo say omo tie campaign e cost so far. Na so ma meye saade we ya omo da omo nda enti so omo gina ha omo hye NPP amanyoku nyina abo ene Dr. Mahmoud Baumi abo ese 28 out of 32 electoral area coordinators ewo Pristia Huni Valley constituency omo declare omo support they are my Dr. Mahmoud Baumi. Kukuru, GMB, Dr. His Excellency, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, behalf
of Christian Huni Valley 32 lecture area coordinators Nyaya Kacha will say we are behind you. It's your toe, a real bow, a home throw. You see, Yani police station calling in our carbon. Nyaya Kacha will say we are moving forward. Yakoko Doctor Mahmoud Baumia, thank you.
It's Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, Air Corner, the Nensa Kototo, electoral area coordinators for Christian Huni Valley and some other Omase. Edumana Omo Yedada, into Omo Riafemo, Omo support for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. Umpewe ya. Kofoka ba kono na koshi egu e sa ompewe ya kofoka ba kono na koshi egu. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, the support base keeps growing and growing. No wonder he is the most marketed, most prepared and most winnable.
Media me wo aban me wo politics mo say me pese me boa enipa enye se me hwehwe sika enye sika nti na me wo politics mo me be kai mo say ye be ye mobile money interoperability no na NDC for say o mo pese o mama contract aye saade no for 1.2 billion dollars. $1.2 billion. Ye ba ye na me ka say we die o mo bibie sika enti mempene so ene ye cancel no ekoye saadia edi mfaso bebre abre no e costi yen $4.5 million endu $5 million po na o mo pese o mo gi 1.2 billion. So ya save Ghana over $1 billion, $1.1 billion. Ya save Ghana. Anka esikana meshusha anka menya sekapa anyasa. But ya yenasa. Anka we nyina be ye ka eda ye nyina ye ti so a ye betua. Enti enye sikanti na me ba politics mo. Me pese me buo nipa said ye me ye no. Media me wo aban me wo politics mo say me pese me boa enipa enye se me hwehwe sika enye sika nti na me wo politics mo me be kai mo say ye be ye mobile money interoperability no na NDC for say o mo pese o mama contract aye saade no for $1.2 billion. $1.2 billion. Ye ba ye na me ka say we die o mo bibie sika enti mempene so ene ye cancel no ekoye saadia edi mfaso bebre abre no e costi yen $4.5 million endu $5 million po na mo pese mo gi 1.2 billion. So ya save Ghana over $1 billion, $1.1 billion. Ya save Ghana. Anka esikana meshusha anka menya sekapa anyasa. But ya yenasa. Anka we nyina be ye ka eda ye nyina ye ti so a ye betua. Enti enye sikanti na me ba politics mo. Me pese me buo nipa said ye me ye no.